Alright guys, happy Sunday. Wanted to post a quick video. I've been working on installing the C-Clip Eliminators this weekend. Sorry the lighting's bad, just get the flashlight out here, but you can see I got them installed. These are the Moser branded ones, and I did record everything over the weekend, so I got to edit that together, and my wife's using the computer right now, so I can't get on there. But everything is done except for I'm waiting for the silicone to dry on the eliminators and the differential cover. So once that's dried, last thing to do is to put the lubricant in there. I've already I bled the back brakes and all of that stuff, so that's all good to go. Everything's cleaned up, ready to roll. I've got everything ready here to install, to put in some gear lube. Got a couple quarts of this Castrol for limited slip. And I'll do that tomorrow after work. This is the silicone that comes with the Moser C-Clip Eliminator kit, and they say to let it cure 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to do that. I was done today by about 2 in the afternoon. So I'll wait till I get home after work tomorrow. And we'll put a couple quarts of the 80W90 GL5 differential fluid into the 8.8 and go from there. I did learn a few things installing this. They are in the long form video. It'll be like a 12-minute video, and I'll get that up more than likely tomorrow night when I can edit everything together. But I just wanted to post something because I haven't done anything in about 2 weeks. A lot of it just due to the weather. But we do have 3 opportunities to race, to test this in February between Mendota, which is down towards Fresno, and then up in Redding, which is up in Northern California. And that's where a lot of the guys are going that used to race at Sacramento Raceway and that did race at Sacramento Raceway. They usually race there and up at Redding, what have you. So they've made some improvements to the track and everything, so we want to go check it out. Never raced there before. Nonetheless, so we're going to have to travel a couple hours each way and kind of do these, try to make these work where they're on a Saturday, or I can make a weekend out of it because it's a lot of driving, and I got to have somebody to go with me for, those long hauls. So I think my wife and I will have to make it like a weekend thing. But nonetheless, that's neither here nor there for today. The axles all look good. Again, that'll be in the video when I had everything apart. And our new little shop press over here, this V-Vor 12-ton. The axles were long enough to press everything on, so this thing worked out great. Again, there was a few tips that I shared in the long form video that'll be coming. And again, it's with axles, you get to try everything twice. You get the left side, and if it messes up, try something different on the right side. So there were some things I learned. This side I put in first, and it took a little figuring out, and then the other side went in much easier from a few things I learned. And the main thing is with these backing plates, this parking cable, it's hard to keep everything lined up, because the parking cable wants to push everything away. So if you're doing drum brakes and you have everything apart and you're just mounting with the backing plate and then going to rebuild your brakes, I had the brakes fully assembled. I just took the brake line off and unbolted the backing plate and let everything hang off the emergency cable. So when you put that back on, this is pushing it where it wants to go. So that is the hard part with these, and that it screws in from the back, and you got to line up the backing plate and the C-Clip Eliminators all going to be lined up together. So, and then with this thing pushing wherever it wants to go, it's hard to keep it in line. So it was a little difficult for one person. I found a way to make it work, but for 2 people, and somebody could hold the backing plate in the right spot, or if you take the brakes apart, take the parking cable out, take everything apart, it'll be much easier. But again, we're just down to letting the silicone cure. We'll refill the differential, and we'll go from there. Hopefully, my only concern now is hopefully the dang thing doesn't leak. So that's the update for this weekend, guys. we should be. The next race is 2 weeks away, so I wanted to get that done. And if something does leak, I got 2 weeks to fix it. So that is the update for today. All right, hope everybody had a great weekend. Thank you.